good morning, guys. We are here gathered to discuss about the OSHA and 2, which is we must discuss about the two main topics of the OSHA Act of 1994, which is for occupational safety and management under that two topics. So, firstly, I'd like to talk about the topic of OSHA safety and health in business management, that category. Mainly, basically, as we study in the class, it shows that OSHA, its main purpose is to provide a workplace which is acceptable and safe for the workers and person in the workplace, which is for their self, like physical and mental, where they can work freely like that. As per that, is it correct, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. So for the first question, who want to ask anything regarding the topic?
VISHNU, how do occupational safety and health legal requirement impact the overall business management strategy?
According to that, occupational safety and health, it plays a crucial role in shaping organization business management. Business management strategy, which ensuring the health and safety of the workers, the employees, the employers, which reducing the workplace accident, the legal risks like that, because it's normally happened before, right? Before there is a act like this, OSHA, they can work however they want, do that many accidents will occur. So this is good, I think so. Is it right, Chye? So for the, I think Chye, I want to ask for this. Can you provide example of specific OSHA legal requirements that businesses must adhere to different industries?
Yes, sure. Examples include regulations on workplace environment, hazardous material handling, emergency preparedness, and personal protective equipment PPE usage, among others.
Okay, that's good. Chye, you mean the PPE, right? Like the wearing, so what about the workplace of OSHA regulation?
Yes, like mask, hearing aids, safety shoes, and
as the normal PPE we do in the lab session in the class lah. Okay.
HAZIQ, how do OSH legal requirements contribute to the development of a positive corporate culture within an organization?
Compliance with OSH legal requirement foster a culture of safety, employee well-being, and organization responsibility, enhancing employee morale and productivity.
Guys, I want to share about the OSHA legal requirements which can enhance the operation of the company management like that also. It is like business organizations, they can integrate the OSHA legal requirements by incorporating the safety protocols like standard of operating procedures, like SOP, right? Normally we do for the procedures we do in the lab, right? That conducting regular safety training and including safety considerations in strategic planning. Because normally they do the strategic planning about incorporating this all right, that right, and they keep that and keep it under one roof like that. It is under training. They must know this because that is the OSH Act of 998, which incorporate about the management. I think so.
Do you know how do OSH legal requirements impact the financial aspects of business management, such as insurance costs? and potential legal liabilities.
There is some I know, but can you give more explanation about that?
Adherence to OSH legal requirements can reduce insurance premiums, minimize legal liabilities, and ultimately contribute to long-term cost savings for the business.
Because it is safe in the workplace and the equipment all keep safe. That's why.
Yeah. Right. For your guys' information, the OSH requirement play to ensure the sustainability and longevity of a business in the market. OSH compliance enhance the business reputation, attract quality talent, and ensure the regulatory compliance. Then this, what I say, it contribute to long-term sustainability and success.
Okay. Then I want to share also about how can a business effectively communicate OSH legal requirement to employees to ensure widespread understanding and compliance. Because it is very crucial to an organization about they care about the employees and how to say they give the knowledge about the OSHA Act. So it is effective communication that involves regular training sessions, clear documentation, promoting a culture of transparency and open communication regarding safety protocols. These are the ways the company business management they communicate using OSH, Occupational Safety and Health legal requirement to employees to give widespread of understanding about the workplace and the OSHA. And Chye, do you know in what ways a business go beyond more compliance with OSHA legal requirement to create a proactive and innovative safety culture apart from the normal?
Businesses can foster innovation by investing in advanced safety technologies, encouraging employee involvement in safety initiatives, and continuously improving safety measures beyond minimum regulatory standards.
Okay.
HAZIQ,
Yeah.
what challenges do business commonly face in meeting OSH legal requirements, and how can these challenges be overcome?
Right. Common challenges include resource constraint, changing regulation, and employee resistance. Overcoming these challenges requires a proactive approach, regular update on regulations, and involving employee to the decision-making process.
You guys know about the OSHA legal requirement that is very globally because of Malaysia and other countries, right? They have their own, the certain places they have their own legal requirements and like that. So it is very globally, but how can the multinational corporation they can efficiently manage compliance across the different jurisdiction? That is how, because they can manage compliance through that by localized training. They come to this place, Malaysia. If they want to work in Malaysia, they need to know the OSHA appliance in Malaysia, how they apply the act. For that, they undergo the localized training and they partnership with local experts and to navigate regional nuances. Like they know, the locals already know right how to work like that, how the act will be applied on the workplace like that. So need to take the knowledge from them and they apply it on the workplace if they come to the certain nation and the certain application of OSHA Act. That is management, I think so. The first topic.
Yeah.
I think we discussed the first topic widely, I think so.
Yeah.
We talk about the BB or how the companies act on that and how the employees act on that, and not other than that, the variety of multinational like that.
Yeah.
So it's good to know about more knowledge of you guys about that.
Okay guys, we have done our first topic. We go to our next topic. Our next topic is Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia and its salary features. Okay guys, do you know the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia can contribute to workplace safety? No.
Yes.
Yes. So I will answer the Chye.
Okay.
Because Chye say no.
Okay.
The Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia is a legislative framework that aims to ensuring the safety and health of workers, and its outline regulation and standard for employee to create safe and safe in working environment.
Okay.
Okay, Chye, you got it?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay, Chye, I want to ask you a question. Can you highlight the key objective of the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia?
Yes. The primary objectives include promoting a safety and healthy work environment, preventing accidents and occupational diseases, and establishing a systematic approach to occupational safety and health management. Vishnu, what are the obligations of employers under the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia?
Only employers are required to provide a safe environment for the workers in the workplace. They need to maintain the safe environment and conduct risk assessment, implement safety measures, provide training to employees, and maintain records related to occupational safety and health. Like normally they have a drill and that, right? In the company, if there is a fire, then they get a drill how to manage, and all that must be discussed with the employees, by the employers and the management. They need to provide the safety risk assessment for the machines. Is it good or not? The workplace, is it safe or not for the workers to go and come back and work there like for hours like that, right?
Yeah.
So they need to maintain the thing and the feelings of workers who are working in employees. So it is very crucial for them, for the employees. So how does the Occupational Safety and Health address the rights and responsibilities of employees in Malaysia?
Okay, the Act emphasizes the right of employee to work in a safe environment and their responsibility to comply with safety regulation. It also encourages the employees to report unsafe conditions without fear of retaliation.
Okay, good.
So, Chye, can you explain the enforcement mechanism of the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia?
The Act is enforced by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health, DOSH, in Malaysia. Inspections, investigations, and penalties are among the mechanisms used to ensure compliance.
Chye, when you say penalty, right? There is sure will be penalty for there is a what? They will conduct the investigation, right? There is a small mistake and huge mistake. I'm sure the Dodge they will give for small mistake also they will give penalty or what?
For small and big mistake.
Oh, they usually give the penalty because
They will give you fine.
oh fine like that lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Or they will tell to the employer to kick out like what? Stop the worker from doing the job. Is it like that?
Fire the worker.
Or fine the worker like that lah.
Yeah.
Example of the what penalties. Is it like that?
Yes.
Okay, good together.
VISHNU, what are some of the key industries or sectors that are particularly regulated under the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia?
If we see right, this occupation safety and health will be applied to all industries. Any industries also they must keep following the act that approved by the Malaysia normal OSHA Act of 1994 because they need to save environment for workers in every industry. They need to be a safe environment, everything. Because of that, they give the act, right? The act of OSHA. So, but for such specific regulation, maybe tailored for sectors such as constructions, manufacturing, and hazardous substances handling. Because it's normal if we say at a tailor shop, at a tailor factory, at a cotton creating factories, right? There may be some not allowed, dust like that, and they will not be allowed. But in the construction, there will be dust. We cannot avoid that. But there will be a certain regulation. They may be changed some type of ppm parts per million that can be allowed in there. So in cotton or some semiconductor industry, they must be zero. I think so. It must be very sanitarized, always sanitarized, and good places. So I think there will be difference in the application, but there will be. Every industries must have the OSHA regulation to be applied. And for HAZIQ, how does the Occupational Safety Act in Malaysia align with international standards and best practices?
Okay, for your question, the Act is designed to align with international standard, incorporating principles from organizations such as International Labour Organization (ILO) to ensure a globally recognized approach to occupational safety.
It is still on approach.
Yeah.
Oh, among the still on approach.
Yeah, I think still
They are
still
applying. Okay.
Okay, Chye. How does the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia address the role of safety committees and representatives in the workplace?
The Act mandates the establishment of safety committees and the appointment of safety representatives to facilitate communication between employers and employees on safety matters.
Okay.
VISHNU,
Yeah.
what penalties or consequences do employers face for non-compliance with the Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia?
As I asked you about that before, right?
Yeah,
because
penalty.
because I know something about that. I did prepare something for that topic.
Yeah.
So penalties, they may be include fines, imprisonment, or both. Additionally, non-compliance can result in business closure or suspension of operation. Like for example, take a food industry. The food industry, like a restaurant, they prepare the foods before one day. There is a act, right? As I studied for what industry? So food industry of doing like giving food in the wedding ceremonies like that.
Yeah.
What
Catering.
Catering. Catering. That's the word.
Caterer.
As a caterer, right? They prepare the food, and they must be prepare the food that can last long 4 hours after the food has been ready and served. There is an act under the OSHA also, I think so, because it is under health administration of Malaysia.
Yeah.
So it is come under the DOSH also, DOSH. So that is a penalty if someone eat the food and have some problem, food poisoning and something problem like that, they can report. And under the report, they will investigate how the OSHA safety and health will be applied. Is it applied or not in the factory?
Yeah.
In the food processing workplace. So if there is a problem, there is a fault that done by the workers like that, they may be fine the workers, or they can dismiss the workers, right? Take over the workers. In some cases, there are companies like food industry and some restaurants, they have closed the restaurant or just like that.
Temporarily or
Temporary also got like notice. They will give notice about that for two months closure like that. I'm not sure about the timing, but there is a act like that they will do. In some worst cases, they will just closure the whole business.
they will be strict.
They will be very strict because there is an act is applying on that under OSHA also. So you guys understand about that?
Yeah.
I get. Because I asked about you because that is on the why or finding and what we will do. But the question you asked me is mainly on the fines and the problems. That's why I need to ask you that. So after this, I want to ask HAZIQ a question.
Okay.
So, how has the OSH, which is Occupational Safety and Health Act in Malaysia, evolved over time? And what amendments or updates have been made to address changing workplace standards?
Okay, I will answer your question. Okay, the Act has undergone several amendments to keep pace with involving workplace dynamic, technological advancement, and international standards, to ensuring its relevant and effectiveness in promoting occupational safety and health in Malaysia.
Okay, that's for the topic.
Yeah.
I think so. So I want to ask final closure lah. So after this discussion session for the first topic and second topic, I would like to ask Chye, what do you get from this? What do you understand? Is there anything you don't understand after this discussion? You get more knowledge about that. Do you get that?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. And HAZIQ, can you share something that you don't know before this and after this you know?
Yeah. Before this, I don't know about this app. After that, after you explain, I will get something from your explanation. What I get is the app is very strict.
They are very strict.
Yeah.
Because they apply the act to make them follow. Before this, they have legislation like just normal approach, like moral, right? Okay, give the workers some time, give the employer some power to control the workers. But there is no regulation, not strict regulation. Because of this Oshe, I think so. The management also, because the first topic is about management, right? It correlates the management and the workplace, but there is a difference. Because of that, I think so. We discuss it briefly. So, what I get from that, from you guys, information, it's very good that we have OSHA regulations, not only in Malaysia and all other countries also. Even if it differs at some points, at some things like before this, we see, right, that you explained to me and Chye explained to me. It is good to have OSHA because we need to secure and provide a place, because we are engineers also, I think so. Because we have diploma, and after this we will get degree, certification, we will go to work, and we need a workplace which is very safety, because we need to be healthy and ensure that. So I think so it's very good to have that, and we also must follow the rules. So you will follow the rules, like you will follow the rules, like
follow, she will good.
So I think so. That's for our discussion session. That's the end of our discussion session. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for the time.
Thank you for the time.